Good morning everyone. This is teacher Nadeem, and inshallah today we will start about Microsoft Excel. So here we go. Uh, this is a Sihai online training program for batch 12, and this is about Microsoft Excel 2007. So in last semester, if you remember, we have finished Microsoft Word. In this semester, we are starting with Microsoft Excel. So I will start with the lesson. What is Excel? Basically, is a separate sheet program used to organize, store, and analyze data, but it's much more than that. Excel has been around for a very long time, since 1982, and since it interception interception turn off features have been added that help people create report, chart, automated task, and much more. So if you know this, like this is how Microsoft Excel 2000 look like. Many students are using Excel and MS Office. Okay, so this is Office 2007 interface. Okay, before starting Microsoft Excel interface, I will show you how to start Microsoft Excel, how to save the file, and how to close the file. So it will be very good, like everything will be organized way. If you do this thing, it will be very good. If you remember, in Sihai we are having folders of each group, like group A, B, C, and D, and in that folder we have names of the students, and there you save your files. So the same thing, I will just show you something. Like first you will go to the start button, start button, and then here you will go to Microsoft Office, and here Microsoft Excel. So here this Microsoft Excel started now. Okay, now second, you have to save the file. The first and most important thing is, whenever you will open a file, new file, please save it first, because in case like power will go or something will happen, your system will restart automatically, maybe. So in that case your data will be saved properly. So save this file in a proper folder, like in on desktop. I'm creating one folder now. This is batch 12. Okay, and in batch 12 I will keep this is the folder location, and this is the file name. And if you remember, we follow some like name, like activity number 1. Save the file, and then that's it, nothing much. In this, how you will, now just now I showed you how to start the file and how to save the file, and then you can close the file. Now I will show you one more thing, how you can start directly, like if you don't want to go this all long procedures, like process, like going down and then search. Simply if you will type Excel, so Excel will come here. This application will show you here. Okay, then you click, and then you can start your work. And the first thing, what I said you before, save the file. The first thing, save your file. Now again, what is MS Excel and its interface? Okay, Microsoft Excel 2007 is an interface in different from the interface that of Microsoft Excel 2003. if you were use Excel 2003, it's look like this. I know the picture is blurred, not too clear, like much clear. So, and this is Microsoft Excel 2007. I will not read everything, because everything, if you will pause and you can read this, okay, but I will make you understand the important part. And now the graphical user interface is GUI. GUI allows the user to interact with the machine programs its user, like Windows icon, pull down menu, and it's allow user to also use the mouse for navigation and control. So the workbook, what is workbook? It is defined as a file that has one or more worksheet in it. So this is a workbook. Okay, this is a workbook. In this workbook, this is called a workbook. In this, there are many options you can see. Like if you want to make a worksheet, this is worksheet 1, worksheet 2, 3, and so on. And what is worksheet? Like as I said you, this is the it is a working area. It contain many cells and columns and rows. So if you type something in some data in this worksheet, so it will give you some result. Okay, what the office button and startup button, if you will type here, I will show you. This is startup button and office button. I'm sorry. uh, this is office button. Okay, in office button there are many options that I will explain you one by one, in slide also, and even in and practically I will give you a demo also. So this is office button, as I showed you. Quick access toolbar, this is called quick access toolbar. And after that, the title bar display the file name, format, mode, and name of application. Where this is an example, like book 1 is the file name, and which application is this is Microsoft Excel. And if you will save with some name, it will reflect here. Okay, so you can see here, like book 1, there is no file name. By default it is book 1, 2, and 3. So what I will do, I will just save this file as I showed you before on desktop, batch 12, activity number 2. If I will save the file, look here, the file name, in title bar you can see the file name, and which application, Microsoft Excel. Next, the ribbon. What is ribbon? It is where the big change interface happen. The ribbon replaces the Excel menu and toolbars which are found in the older version of Excel. It is located above the work area of an Excel window. So this is a ribbon. Okay, like this is the ribbon, complete one. This is the ribbon. Okay, now if you will see, the in 2003 and in 2007, what is the difference in ribbon? Before, the ribbon was like this, and now like this. Okay, now basic components of a ribbon: tab. Over here you can see this is a tab, home tab, insert tab. So all these are the tabs. Groups, this are the in a tab there are groups. Okay, in groups like a clipboard, font, paragraph, and so on. Okay, and command, a command can be a button and box to type in information, or a menu to choose from. Okay, so if I will show you something like, what is this? This is a tab: home tab, insert tab, page layout tab. So these are the tabs. Okay, now buttons found in MS Excel 2007: help button, minimize, maximize, and close button. You can see over here, this is help button, minimize, maximize, and close button. The formula bar consists of three parts: the name box hold the address or the coordinates of the active cell. Okay, over here you can see, okay, the active cell. What is cell address, I will explain you uh, in in future slides, okay, in further slides, in videos. And what is formula bar? Formula bars: the circle used to adjust the size of the name box. The X symbol is used as a cancel. The check mark is used as an enter the label. Fx is function wizard. I will show you something, like, just to explain it, like, what is this A1? Okay, what is this name box? Okay, this is name box. And if I will type something, like some thing I have written over here, and if I will check, this is B1, the cell address is B1, and this is the insert function. If I will click here, the function tab will open. Okay, dialog box will open. And now the cell consists in this part. You can see all the lengthy data you will type in into an active cell. You may also enter or edit data for formulas directly in this area, like this. If you are typing something, okay, so if it is a lengthy data, you can see here. So this is, you can find here, you can look in this. A cell is a meeting point of a row and a column. An active cell is the cell you are working on. An active cell as a back square on its lower right corner. So what is cell? This is a cell, okay, one cell. What is the cell address? C5. Okay, and here if you will see what is written showed. Okay, next, the lower part of the windows, the sheet tab. Okay, it is used to toggle between worksheet in the workbook. By default there are three worksheet. This worksheet may be customized. And after that, the zoom control, I will show you something over here. This are the, by default you will find three worksheet, 1, 2 and 3. If you want to add more, you can just simply click here, insert worksheet. So now 5, 6 and so on. Okay, and here is a zoom bar. Okay, zoom controller, sorry. So if you want to change the zoom size, if you want to increase or decrease the size, you can do it manually from here also. Okay, scroll bar, vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar. This, okay, vertical and horizontal. Now parts of Excel window, we have seen, I explain you everything. Now this is what office button, quick access toolbar, title bar, cell address, cell containers, name box, active cell, sheet tab, status bar, scroll bar, again sheet tab, okay, ribbon. So this is the things. If you have any question, you can ask me on WhatsApp or in comments. If you will ask me on WhatsApp, it will be better. I can reply you and I can explain you in on WhatsApp also. And if you thank you for watching, and if you have any question, come there on WhatsApp. And one more thing I want to tell you that please watch the video and try to understand, because after this each video, whenever I will um, upload a video, I will give you quiz, assignment and activities. So everything, like if you will watch the video, then only you will able to uh, perform the activity and you can do your quiz. Otherwise you will be confused, so please watch the video properly. And if you will not understand, ask me, I'm there to help you. And thank you so much for your time, and inshallah we will meet in next video. Thank you very much.